An organizer have to be extraordinarily capable with vision and a mission for implementing the thought patterns for a new millennium. Organizers have to be spiritually intellectual, purposefully determined with the power of wisdom, knowledge of the process of yogic evolution beyond all religions. Their life is scientifically meditative with the awareness of one's own divinity, explorable within to cure and heal the wounds or trauma in the psychological minds with mindfulness of power of spirituality and intuitional influences. Hence, organizing ME spirituality is not a small affair.
A project.
It is a big with inspirational, practical motivation to build the team and a millennium with the exceptional interventions of cosmic yogic spirituality.
As Me House.
It's only for
Missoulls.
Messoulls. In the highest 3 syllabus, globum announced in the leading styles. Straightness only, straight straight, straight right and straight left. Luxuries and royal, kingdom of Missoulls. How are you, my dear powerful souls around the globe? In the kingdom of Missoulls, of stretchlessness, feeling of the hearts to hearts, souls to souls, organizing is a divine qualitative life in me space unit souls. Is it not so? To highest 3 syllabus. Organize should always feel the patience, the perseverance, continuously involving in the visionary path of the perfected vision for the future. Without vision and a mission, how can anybody organize? So messengers of love and religion of love has got a vision and a mission. When power manifestation happens in ME unit space through ME spirituality, there is meaning for that. When everything is getting postponed indefinitely, then the spiritual power that matters to manifest anything through heart to hearts with the power of cosmic realities. That's life in this planet. All cannot support a new millennium or the new path, especially Nija's path. So, power manifestation groups, power manifestation categories should have that type of awareness of practicality to sort out the problems at the same time without sacrificing the vision, mission to organize everything so nicely. That's where organizing in me path is a hearty ways. I always feel that the business matters should not be discussed with the opponents or those who do not like ME spirituality or those who cannot digest a new millennium. So all those who have got that type of awareness of a new millennium emerging only can feel the organizing ways of ME. ME stands for Millennium Evolution Manifestation Energy. My economy too in it. One should not take the opinions of the opponents to sort out one's own problems. One should sort out one's own problem through one's own consciousness. That is spiritual power. All those who are in tune with me, they cannot depend upon other system. My system is Nijayoga system of evolution, expansive awareness of Sai Yoga. How can anybody think that ME spirituality will be organized by other system who are opposing ME spirituality? Common sense, divine sense, spiritual sense, practical sense. So I am organizing my own team through ME consciousness, highest 3 syllabus, global knowledge in the leading styles. And those who are in the tarnishing and maligning ways of looking at me, how can they organize my team? So those who are accusing me, blaming me, if I depend upon them to organize my units, what will be the future of me units? Common sense. So Kingdom of Mesouls, it's a hearty ways of truth and love in it. Those who really love to feel organizing nature, they should be feeling the conscience and the heart to hearts, souls to souls. So it is righteousness that matters. Straight right, and straight left. There is business in it, huge business. Highest 3. The future leftiousness and righteousness is in the straight left, straight right, and straight right. This righteousness, that means it will take some years, but it has the consistency to feel the future emerging through ME souls. Bachelors and spinsters, these yogis and yoginis in the leading styles, with highest clarity of my arrival news and the way of one living and leading ME spirituality. Messengers of love, the concept, the religion of love. So I feel me soul should not be discouraged with the opinions of others. One should feel one's own spiritual power. The power of the judgment, the power of the consciousness, the power of love, power of the mind, power of intellectual capability, the power of everything that makes one courageous and feel the extra capability to create anything. Creators and co-creators, captains and co-captains. We have our own power to create anything. That's why we have descended to this planet to make sure that evolution systematically happens with the consciousness of God, yogic consciousness, cosmic realities. That itself is life in me units. Powerful souls create one's own life in tune with me. Straight, highest syllabus. My organization is built with ME words meet together. So it is not the past systems that matters, it's a new system. Words have got its philosophical attitude, philosophical key to open the hearts towards new millennium. Then there is meaning for the bright and brilliant future with greater confidence in making evolution a practical reality. Then we are all souls beyond gender differences and race differences to create the life with which we can feel our presence in this planet. Straight, cosmic realities. Me space souls. Me space born souls. They're on top. When they descend down, they never lose the space. They have the power in it. Me space power. Me power yoga. Left you all. I'm here on this planet with you all to feel our own beautiful life, to create destiny not only for ourselves but also for the human species to think about a new millennium, Satyuga or Prem Yuga. Straight? Left you all.